Looking to upgrade your workshop or tackle your next project with ease? Today, we're checking out 20 incredible tools that make woodworking faster, smarter, and more precise. From heavy-duty saws to clever jigs and precision hand tools, these picks are built to help you work like a pro. Let's jump in and see which ones belong in your toolbox. Looking for a tool that can handle any project? Meet the DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Multi-Tool. Its brushless motor gives you up to 57% more runtime, so you can tackle bigger jobs without slowing down. Choose the perfect speed with the 3-speed selector and control every cut with the dual grip variable trigger. Switch blades in seconds with the quick change system, and use accessories from most brands thanks to the universal adapter. Need precision in tight spaces? The built-in LED lights up your work surface for clean, accurate cuts every time. This tool makes every project easier. Need a sturdy, reliable setup for any project? Check out the Amazon Basics rectangular folding sawhorses, sold in a set of 2. Each sawhorse holds up to 900 pounds evenly, giving you solid support for heavy tasks. Quick to set up and fold down, they're perfect for moving between work sites. Locking braces and non-slip feet keep everything stable, while fold-out stoppers can double as a lightweight storage shelf. With top and bottom hooks for tools, cords, or materials, these sawhorses are ready for any job. Fully assembled and easy to use, they make every project safer and more efficient. Looking for a precise, professional edge finish every time? The Veritech's -93 Australian dollars double-edge manual banding trimmer is your go-to tool. It scrapes both sides simultaneously, handling edges up to 40 millimeters, or can work as 2 independent trimmers for larger surfaces. Even stubborn glue residues or burrs are no match. This tool delivers a clean, polished result every time. Crafted with long-lasting chromium vanadium alloyed blades, it's built for durability and consistent performance. Lightweight and manual at just 3.5 ounces, it's easy to handle and perfect for any workshop. Evenly spaced flutes without the hassle? Meet the Rockler Router Fluting Jig. Designed for speed and precision, this jig makes routing decorative flutes for columns, moldings, and furniture a breeze. Its low-friction sled rails glide smoothly over boards up to 9.5 inches wide, giving you consistent results every time. The router mounts to a pre-drilled acrylic centerpiece that slides easily for flute after flute, while built-in scales and writable indexing surfaces simplify setup. Made with durable MDF, aluminum, and phenolic, this jig is built to last. Get professional quality flutes quickly and easily with the Rockler Fluting Jig. Need a drill that reaches where others can't? The Milwaukee M12 Fuel Installation Drill/Driver Kit is built for tight spaces and precision work. Its offset attachment lets you drive fasteners right up against edges without damaging finished surfaces. For tough angles, the right angle attachment delivers smooth drilling at 90 degrees. With an all-metal 3/8-inch chuck and a 1/4-inch hex attachments, you'll tackle most drilling and fastening tasks with ease. The magnetic bit holder keeps bits ready to go, saving time on the job. Compact and designed with an inline grip for total control, this tool makes hard-to-reach work simple and efficient. Need a dependable mallet that delivers precision and comfort? Meet the rubber mallet. Built with a triple wedge construction, it securely locks the head to its genuine hickory handle for lasting durability. Lightweight yet strong, the hickory handle offers a comfortable grip and excellent control for all-day use. Perfect for pros and serious DIYers, it's versatile enough for sheet metal work, tile setting, furniture assembly, flooring installs, or even as a reliable camping hammer. Featuring soft and hard tips for different tasks, this mallet is truly built for performance. Proudly made in the USA since 1923, it's built to last. Take your sanding projects to the next level with the Festool BS75 E-Set Belt Sander. Designed with a perfectly balanced, longitudinal motor, it delivers effortless operation and reduces fatigue during long jobs. Built with Festool's renowned high-quality construction, this sander offers exceptional durability for years of reliable use. Its precision engineering ensures consistent performance, whether you're smoothing large surfaces or refining fine details. With powerful sanding capability and a design focused on comfort and control, the BS75 E-Set makes demanding sanding tasks easier, faster, and more precise. Ideal for professionals who demand efficiency and top-tier results every time. Get perfect, flush screw finishes every time with the WolfCraft 4390000 Countersink. Designed for precision, it creates clean, accurate countersunk holes in wood with ease. The adjustable depth stop features fixed settings for screws up to 10 millimeters in diameter, giving you consistent, professional results. Its a 1/4-inch hex shank allows quick and effortless tool changes in any standard bit holder, keeping your workflow smooth. With 3 sharp cutting angles at 45 degrees, it delivers neat, splinter-free edges for flawless finishes. Crafted from durable tool steel, this countersink is built for long-lasting performance, ideal for woodworking projects that demand accuracy and clean results. Create perfect wooden dowels every time with the DFM Tool Works Premium Doweling Tool. Crafted from precision-machined, 3/8-inch thick A2 tool steel, this dowel maker is built to last and delivers unmatched accuracy. Featuring 17 different hole sizes, it's versatile enough for a wide range of woodworking projects. Installing concealed cabinet hinges just got easier with the Jig-It Concealed Hinges Drilling Guide Kit. This smart jig lets you precisely locate and drill hinge cup holes using only a hand drill. No drill press needed. Perfect for small shops or on-site jobs, it saves time, space, and money. The built-in spring clamp securely holds the guide in place, so there's no need for constant adjustments. Designed to rest firmly on your benchtop or floor, it supports your work as you drill. Pair it with a long shank Forstner bit for flawless hinge cup holes. Get professional results with less hassle. Take your cutting power anywhere with the DEWALT 15-amp 8¼ compact Jobsite table saw. With an impressive 24.5 inches of rip capacity, it handles full 4x8 plywood or OSB sheets with ease. The rack and pinion telescoping fence rails deliver quick, smooth, and accurate adjustments for precise cuts every time. Its compact size makes transport and storage simple, while the rugged metal roll cage base stands up to tough job site conditions. Onboard storage keeps your guard, fence, wrenches, and miter gauge within reach. Plus, the SitePro modular guarding system allows fast, tool-free setup, and the power loss reset ensures safe, reliable operation. Tackle finish work with precision using the DEWALT 18GA brad nailer kit. Its long life, maintenance-free motor keeps your work surface clean and stain-free. Adjust nail depth effortlessly with the tool-free depth of drive setting, ensuring every nail is perfectly set. Clear jams quickly thanks to the convenient tool-free jam release mechanism. The rear exhaust directs dust and debris away from your work for a cleaner workspace. Designed to drive 18-gauge nails from 5/8 to 2 inches, it's ideal for trim, cabinetry, and detailed projects. The adjustable belt hook keeps it close at hand, and the included carrying case makes storage and transport easy. Upgrade your woodworking precision with the J&B Pro Countersink Drill Bit Set. Crafted from durable M2 HSS steel with a sharp 4-flute design, it delivers smooth, accurate holes in hardwood, softwood, MDF, and more. The black oxide finish enhances durability and keeps bits sharp for consistent results. An adjustable depth collar lets you control countersink depth for flush or recessed screws, while the self-centering feature ensures perfect alignment every time. Designed with a universal 1/4-inch hex shank, these bits fit most power tools for quick, secure changes. Complete with 2 extra tapered bits and a sturdy storage organizer, it's ideal for pros and DIYers alike. Tackle yard work with ease using the SENIX 20V cordless 10-inch chainsaw. Designed for the perfect balance of power and maneuverability, it's lighter and easier to handle than bulky models, but stronger than compact saws. The brushless motor delivers powerful, quiet cutting with less vibration, while the 11 meters per second chain speed makes quick work of pruning, trimming, and firewood. Its lightweight design and built-in chain brake improve safety and reduce fatigue. The automatic oiling system and tool-free chain tensioning keep maintenance simple. Compact for easy storage, this all-in-one garden tool is perfect for homeowners and makes a thoughtful Father's Day gift. Work safer and smarter with the Milescraft 3405 GrabberPLUS Pushblock. Designed for table saws, router tables, band saws, and jointers, it keeps your hands protected while giving you superior control. The spring-loaded, retractable locking heels hold your workpiece securely and prevent tear out when ripping or routing. Its diamond grip rubber bottom is non-slip and non-marring, ensuring a steady hold without damaging surfaces. The ergonomic, tilted comfort grip handle improves control, adds directional force against the fence, and keeps your hands clear of the blade. Built for durability and high visibility in bright yellow, the GrabberPLUS is an essential safety tool for every shop. Upgrade your woodworking precision with the WT102A 3.8-inch mini 3D multi-angle measuring square. Combining a rafter square, triangle ruler, and imperial scale, it measures, calibrates, and marks with ease. Its 3D design lets you measure length, width, height, and 0 to 90 degrees angles without rotating the tool. Crafted from high-strength aluminum alloy with laser-engraved, fade-resistant scales, it delivers consistent, accurate results every time. The set includes a professional carpenter pencil with 6 refills and an Allen wrench for full functionality. Lightweight, durable, and corrosion-resistant, this compact square is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, carpenters, and engineers looking for precision in every project. Get precision and versatility with the POWERTEC Universal 5-in-1-step depth gauge. This all-in-one tool measures chisel angles, drill points, router bit heights, saw blade depths, and more. Perfect for table saws, router tables, and woodworking projects. Quickly adjust router bits, dado blades, and mortises with repeatable accuracy using its 3 depth setting options. Laser-engraved metric and imperial scales make readings easy, precise to 1/32 or 0.5 millimeters. Built with rigid, high-quality materials, it's compact, durable, and ready to stay at your workstation. Whether you're a professional or DIY enthusiast, this 5-in-1 gauge ensures consistent, precise results every time. Make straight cuts effortless with the ProGrip straight edge clamp. Its lightweight February 3rd 16-inch tube rail provides rigidity while acting as a reliable guide for circular saws, eliminating the need for C-clamps. Achieve precise alignment and secure clamping on any panel, whether you're cutting plywood or dado slots. The low-profile rail simplifies guiding your power tools along edges, while the adjustable jaw locks in place for a stable, repeatable cutting rail. Perfect for custom jigs and power tool projects, this clamp ensures straight, accurate cuts every time. Lightweight, durable, and easy to use, it's a must-have for any woodworking setup. Upgrade your sanding game with the HYCHIKA 5-inch random orbital sander. With 6 variable speeds from 6,000 to 13,000 revolutions per minute, it handles everything from rough woodworking to fine polishing with 30% more efficiency. The included 12 sandpapers, from coarse 80 to fine 240 grit, let you tackle paint removal, rust, and smooth finishing. 8 vacuum holes and a removable dust bag collect up to 80% of dust, keeping your workspace clean. Lightweight and ergonomic with a textured rubber grip, it reduces vibration and improves control. Perfect for woodworking, DIY projects, or home improvement, this sander makes every job faster and easier. Upgrade your table saw setup with the BOW 36-inch XTENDER Fence. Standing 5 inches tall and crafted from robust anodized aluminum, it adds versatility and stability to portable, benchtop, or cabinet saws. 3 T-slots along the top let you attach feed control accessories, featherboards, and stops for safer, more accurate cuts. With milled clamp slots and compatibility with BOW feed supports, Delta Unifence, and Harvey fences, you can extend your table surface and control for in-feed and out-feed. Quick to set up and fully adjustable, the XTENDER Fence ensures precision, enhanced feed control, and safer woodworking every time. And that's a wrap on our roundup of the 20 must-have woodworking tools. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these picks will help you work smarter, faster, and with more precision. If you enjoyed this list, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tool reviews and project tips, and drop a comment with your favorite tool or one you can't wait to try. Thanks for watching, and happy building!